Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everything is well. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's I'm gonna do for you guys my no makeup tutorial or a morning routine, basically what I do every day. So I start off with my skin very clean, and I use a little bit of moisturizer, also the sun protection. This is a must for me unless I wanted to turn a tomato because my skin is too light. So I always do this step because for me, especially in daytime, is a must. So I always choose a high protection, and next I'm gonna use a foundation. Today I choose a full coverage foundation, but I'm gonna use just a little bit. This is for She Glam and is a matte foundation. I really like this one, but I really like to use this foundation when I prep my skin first. So when I apply moisturizer, sometimes a serum, so my foundation looks good. I'm gonna apply a little all over my face, as you guys can see, and the rest left I'm gonna check out if I need to apply more. And I don't like to apply too much product in my face in a morning routine because I don't need too much, so I always remove the excess product with a beauty blender. And next I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer to even highlight a few spots for my face. So I'm gonna apply under the eye and in my nose, in my chin, in my forehead. This is a very light shade from NARS. And to blend, I'm gonna use the same blender that I was using before. And now for a natural effect, I'm gonna use a contour and blush. For today's look, I choose this product from She Glam, and it gives me a really natural effect. That's why I love to use it in the morning. But if I need, for example, to use this product for a nighttime makeup look, I don't really like it because the effect is so natural. I feel like for more glam looks, I need more pigmentation. So I apply a little bit in the back of my hand. I take it with the brush and I start to contour a few areas of my face. I really want to do a very soft type of contour just to reshape my face that the foundation takes off, and the same I'm gonna do with the blush. I absolutely love this color. It kind of matches perfectly with my skin type. So I'm gonna apply in the back of my hand, and here it looks so strong, a very pigmented blush. But when I apply in my face, when I take with a beauty blender or even a brush, it looks so soft in my skin. Next I'm gonna use this white eyeliner. This is a really soft pencil, and this is a white matte eyeliner. This is eyeliner, but today I'm using to highlight my nose because it gives me a really natural effect, no shine, and I really love it. And now to set, I'm gonna use a really light type of powder. This is from She Glam, and there is a loose powder and a compact powder. I'm using the compact version, which is white but there is no color, and I'm gonna apply it with a puff. Then I'm gonna do my brows with the Pillowiz brow pomade, and I'm gonna brush in the back direction where the hairs grow, and then I'm gonna just brush back to the right direction. I know it looks crazy, but this is how I do the fluff brow. So when I finish the shape that I want for my brows, I'm gonna just take another product, and this is a kind of a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, but this is not a eyeliner, this is a brow liner. Yes, and this product is so good. As the brow pomade, this is a long wear product. So I'm gonna take the Perfectionist Brow Pen from Melt Cosmetics. I've been trying this product a lot in the last month, but I received it from a long time ago and I really love this one. I don't know why I've been not using it yet. I received it from a long time ago and I don't know why I just didn't use it. because it's so good and make my brows so beautiful, looking absolutely natural, and also it's a long wear product, so it's very good. Then when I finish the design, I just brush the hairs a little more to make sure it's completely natural. So let's move on to the eyes, and today I'm gonna use a very soft look. So first I'm gonna remove the excess product from the eyelid, and next I'm gonna set all over the eyelid with a skin color, and using the same brush I'm gonna use a very light cool brown eyeshadow just to create a kind of something in my crease look, but of course not too much. Next, with the tip of my fingers, I'm gonna apply a shimmery eyeshadow just in the eyelid, but just a little tiny bit to give me a little more light for this look. And next I'm gonna use a brown eyeshadow to create the kind of smoky eye look, and I'm gonna use a card just to help me to create a harsh line in the outer corners, but at the same time as I want to create a soft smoky eyeliner. So I'm gonna do it like this, using a small brush to concentrate the dark eyeshadow, and I don't really want to move the card from the outer corners. Next, I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush that I was applying the first eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just blend it. When I finish to blend, I just remove the card and boom, everything is looking so good. So I just finish off with the mascara, and this part of the eyeliner is kind of optional. You don't have to apply this type of eyeliner if you don't like, but for me, I feel like something more for the makeup look for this video is a must. You can do it in a very natural effect. So I just finish off with the mascara that I love so much. This is Sky High from Maybelline. And now I'm gonna apply a lip contour and lip gloss. So you can use a lip gloss or a balm. Here I use a balm that is a little bit of shine in it, so it kind of looks like a gloss, but at the same time I love to moisturize the lips. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of the lip contour, and I'm gonna smudge the product using a cotton swab, and next I'm gonna apply the lip balm. This is all to give me a natural effect that I absolutely love to use in the morning time or in a daytime. But of course you can use a lipstick if you like. Just remember you are in morning time, so try to not use something over. And this is how I conclude this look. I really hope that you love this tutorial much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next one. Mwah. Bye.